It's our pleasure to have the opportunity to speak with you today, and really special thanks to ADSA for finding a way to support these conversations that we had all hoped were going to happen in Savannah last November. My brief talk today will focus on the approach that we've taken to data science at the University of Washington, which is highly integrative and interdisciplinary, and has informed the creation and evolution of the eScience Institute. As early as 2007, the UW had visionary leadership, including eScience founding director Ed Lazowska, who recognized really the tremendous and transformative potential for data science, not just in the development of cutting edge tools and technologies, but also in the application of these tools and technologies in kind of the broadest imaginable range of fields. Important benchmarks in the development of our institute included the Morse Sloan Data Science Environment Award and funding from the Washington Research Foundation. Based on the unique research programs and support that were created in the context of those awards and that are provided to university researchers, the UW Provost now provides a portion of permanent funding to support the Institute. So our mission really is very broad and is focused on empowering researchers across all fields to answer fundamental questions through the use of large, complex, and noisy data. And we're also really interested in engaging in all parts of the data science workflow. We've created a physical and also, of course, now virtual hub for data science activities and programming on campus, and lead a community of innovators in the techniques, technologies, and best practices of data science. Just a quick peek, remember when we all had spaces and we went to them? We have a space that's historically been very important for us in kind of overhearing each other's conversations, forging new partnerships, supporting training and workshop activities, and providing a neutral space on campus for data science to flourish. The backbone of the eScience Institute really is our research staff, who are unique data and research scientists, all of whom maintain individual independent research programs, as well as supporting all the activities and programs of the Institute. As you can see from the diversity of backgrounds and disciplines listed here, they really bring a wealth of technical experience and expertise to our team. Broadly speaking, our goals and activities align in 3 areas, typical to many institutes and universities. So around education, research, and community building. And I'll touch on some of our activities in each of these spaces briefly. In terms of our role in the development of a formal data science curriculum at UW, the eScience, back in 2013, we convened a data science education working group that aligned around the shared goals of educating all UW students in data science and integrating data science into existing departments on campus, with the idea that students graduate with the data science skills that are most appropriate for their disciplinary field, and that data science was not viewed on our campus as a separate department, division, or school. Last fall, we were integral to the launch of a data science minor, which is targeted to students outside of STEM and creates various pathways through the minor to support a mixture of data science skills and data science studies coursework. Much of what we do in terms of data science support happens through informal education programs, such as all of the research staff that I showed you previously hold open office hours. We lead technical workshops such as software carpentry, trainings in sort of Cloud 101, initiating researchers into working in the cloud. And then also we've evolved disciplinary hack weeks across many different spaces, some of which are listed here on this slide. The idea of the Hack Week model is that this has really emerged within the data science community as a powerful tool for fostering the exchange of ideas in research and computation. In contrast to conventional workshops or conferences, Hack Weeks are really intensive and interactive. They're facilitated by 3 core components. There's tutorials and state-of-the-art methodology, peer learning activities, and then on-site project work in a very collaborative, inclusive environment. This setup has proved so powerful, and we've had such great experiences running Hack Weeks over the past 7 years that we as an institute have recently rolled out a Hack Weeks as a service program. And so we're working with various groups in this coming year to offer new and exciting Hack Weeks. I want to wrap up by talking about a couple of our kind of quarter-long research programs. The first of which is the Data Science Incubator program, which has supported 54 projects across 30 different departments over the past 7 years. These projects involve a one-on-one collaboration between one of our eScience data scientists and a researcher, often a graduate student or a postdoc, but occasionally a faculty member. And these are to work on tractable data science challenges related to their research. This 10-week-long program often leads to publications, grant proposals, and long-term collaborations. The second program that I wanted to bring up is, which has been offered each summer since 2015, is the UW Data Science for Social Good program. This program brings together data scientists and domain researchers to work on focused collaborative projects for societal benefit. We support compelling, timely, publicly relevant projects that are poised to take advantage of this sort of tremendous student talent and the computational resources associated. I just wanted to really highlight to this group that we just opened our call for project proposals for 2022. And that includes, the call for project proposals, so we take proposals from organizations across the country, both within academia as well as public agencies and nonprofits. And we also just opened our call for student fellows, which is open to upper division undergraduates and graduate students from universities across the country. We've only been able to show you a sliver about our institute, so I wanted to end up by saying that we're fortunate to be engaged in a number of ongoing projects and collaborations, both within UW and more broadly, and we look forward to using the rest of this time today to have the opportunity to discuss these and many other topics with you all. So thank you for your attention and looking forward to having some discussion.